I'm really curious how it caught on fire.
Engine fires can happen if you want to see.
Something tells me it already blew up, but it has the potential to blow up other more cars. Hurry!
Oh!
See, it's already starting to ignite.
I'm parked right behind it.
Are you serious? Well, you can't go over there now because they're...
I'm stuck. My husband's got to be to work in 15 minutes. I think they'll let him off for this one, right?
It sounds like the horns, you hear the horn going off. I'm thinking that's something that has to do with the horn.
Yeah.
And I bet you it's a recall in their car.
That they didn't care.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You had a person on the front seat.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, see how many people I can get. I bet you're probably gonna move 1 million views.
Boring now.
Yeah, just let it burn stuff.